Hi, kindergarten. For our readers workshop today, we're still working on Chunky Monkey. Let's say it together. Chunky Monkey looks for chunks and small words you know. And I'm going to go all the way, skipping, whoop, to our song. Let's begin. Chunky Monkey finds small words hiding inside big ones. It helps him read the tricky words before he goes bananas. One more time. Chunky Monkey finds small words hiding inside big ones. It helps him read the tricky words before he goes bananas. Nice job. Now I'm going to go to our next example. I'm going to move my thing. Is ba ka is oot oos. No, you have to chunk it out, Miss Bear. I know, I forgot. I'll do it one at a time. Is this ba ka is about he rose. I'll read it as a whole sentence now. This book is about heroes. So much easier when I was really looking for my chunks and my words. Can't wait to see how you can read all of your chunks. Get reading today for Reader's Workshop.